Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, back today. We're going to take off the alternator rotor, although I'll probably just take the nut because you need a special puller. That's coming, so it should be here Monday. Then we're going to take out the links to remove the chain and remove this drive nut. I have a strap tool to hold this, and this spanner is a size 19. Hopefully this can grip and except it's not gripping. Okay, now the strap doesn't grip, so I've got it sort of as tight as I can, put it in between some stuff there to try and hold it, and I'll try and use the a bit of hard shock, fast shock. And that worked. Sorry about the noise. Okay, I have ordered a puller that screws on there and goes in. Should be here Monday, so I'll leave that together for now. And I will now start on the chain and the sprocket. So while I've got this out, I will start with the sprocket. There's a couple of tabs to stop this turning. I've just tapped it out and made them flat. And the background music, I wrote this song and I use AI to make the music tune behind it, and it's about the bolt that's in the bottom here, which has caused me to pull all this apart. Well, that was easy too. A lot easier than I expected. I'll just leave that there for now, and then I'll work on the chain. I've got a rivet removing tool. I'll need to grind those off